Okay, Asia session live. Currently looking at UJ on the H2. We have bearish trend momentum. Tells me that higher time frame traders are all pushing in one direction. And so if these guys are pushing in one direction, then I believe that the chart time frame will also be pushing in that same direction. So looking for one of my setups in this H2 bar, and I trade this H2 bar on the M2. The H2 is a setup time frame on the M2. First thing I do is look at the bar flow at the top here. I can see that the last H2 closed as a bearish breakout bar. When we have a bearish breakout bar with bearish trend momentum on the H2, I'm looking for a trend retracement setup. Trend momentum on the H2, quick buy section lets me know we have a breakout bar right here on the H2. First setup is that trend retracement setup. Want to see price retrace back to the breakout level, which is right over here. Fake out the momentum time frame, which is the M30 high, and then take it back down to the M30 low. So it's already triggered that momentum time frame. Once it has triggered that, I'm looking for a breakout alignment pattern. So these are my breakout alignment patterns. The H2 is currently in trend breakout. So looking for either a reversal, continuation, or pullback pattern. The way I identify which one is by looking at the momentum time frame bar flow at the bottom here. Look for the last breakout bar, and then that creates a breakout level. So we have the M30 breakout level right over here. That's a breakout low, breaking out of a previous low. And then we're faking out the M30 high below that breakout level. So I know that we're looking at a continuation pattern here. Breakout level, breaking out below the low. That creates a breakout level, which is this blue dash line. And now we're faking out the high below that breakout level. So I know that we're currently in breakout continuation on the M30, and I want to take this back down to the low. Safe entries are the ones in black here. On all these patterns, the safe entries are the black ones, but these gray ones are valid as well. They're just more aggressive. These blue ones, you can drop down to lower time frames and trade those. So once it triggers that momentum time frame, I can look to execute this on the momentum execution time frame. At the bottom there, M30 momentum is traded on the 30 seconds. So here on the 30 seconds, that M30 momentum is now the setup time frame. And over here, I can get an early entry on this move. So same process applies. Look at the bar flow. We have a bearish breakout followed by a bullish fake out. This is a trend continuation setup. We have the breakout level right up here, and we're faking out the M30 high below that breakout level. So looking for a pullback alignment pattern and either again, same thing, reversal, continuation, or pullback. The way I know is by looking at the breakout bar. Where's that breakout level? Right over here, breaking out above a high. So this is an M10 breakout high, and then we're faking out the high above that. So currently the M10 is in breakout reversal, and then the safe entry would be the false breakout entry below this M10 breakout level. A little bit far away, but this would be the safest entry because currently the M10 is bullish. So I could look for an early entry here. I can drop down even further to take something early over here, but I don't really like to do that in Asia sessions since I trade all three sessions. Don't want to be too aggressive, especially early in the week. So just going to let this play out. Usually what happens is this will often get stuck here. And so I don't mind if it gets through, but I would like to see it actually get stuck and then continue back up. And then I'd have another entry somewhere on a different at a different time. But I think the entry right now, I already missed the aggressive one, which would be this one. But let's see. So weekly is in false breakout. So when you're in false breakout, I would expect the weekly to get down to the previous week low. So there's still some room here, some levels in between. Got to be careful of that, but there's some room to go. So I don't mind if I miss this. If I get a pullback, I'll try again and see if it goes through. Counter trend breakout. These are good entries to take when you're in breakout reversal. These ones usually want to go right to that breakout level. So we are in breakout reversal. Counter trend breakout is a breakout move, and these often want to go right to that breakout level. But let's see what happens at that breakout level. All right, so just waiting. Let's see if this sets up. Ideal scenario is actually for this to reject over here, since I missed this already, get back above, and then close as a M30 bullish breakout, and then get another attempt somewhere around here with rejection. That would be the ideal scenario. Timing is all right. H8 bar, H4 bar. We are in a range here on the H4, so it would be nice to see this break first and then possibly get a pullback on that one. All right, so let's see. All right, I'm going to go for this one. If it continues below over here, the M10 has already became bullish, so don't mind going for this. If it closes below this M2 low right here, I want to see it close and break out. Don't think it's going to come up. Just waiting for the closure on the 30 seconds. Just going to be a quick scalp. All right. Got in on this move. Stops at the highs. I'm going to take it down to the H2 low. Wanted it to close in bullish breakout because I always like those reversal patterns on the M30, but M30 was about to close and not going to do that. So got in there, and let's see if it gets through. Next level is this monthly open level right here. And then previous week low. But for that previous week low, I would prefer price to come up and then fake out a high to take it down. So I'm just going to take it down to this M30 low, and then that's it. Okay, nice little 1.5 hour move for me here. And that is it. So nice trade found in the trend momentum scalping channel. Let me know that we had a trend retracement setup. Took that one off of the continuation pattern, missed the 30-second entry, but got it on the M2. Take it straight down. I do want to take this further, but higher time frames don't really support it fully yet. So I'm just going to end it right here. And that's it.